Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be short, sharp, and full of value because we're diving into something incredibly exciting that just launched, Kling AI. If you're someone who enjoys working with AI video tools or you're simply curious about how video generation is evolving, this walkthrough will be worth your time. Kling AI is powerful, intuitive, and delivers surprisingly good results. I'll walk you through how to use it step by step, no filler, while also sharing my personal impressions throughout the process. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is visit klingai.com, link in the description. Once you're on the site, click on the Sign In button. It's easy to spot. You'll see a message offering 166 free credits just for signing in. That gives you enough room to experiment and generate multiple short video clips, which I think is a generous start for a brand new platform. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It's simple and efficient, with options on the left side including AI videos, AI images, and text-to-video. While all three features are intriguing, the AI video section is where the real value lies. That's what we'll explore today. This part is where the creativity begins. Just like with other AI tools, you type in what you want the AI to generate. The more specific or imaginative your prompt, the more interesting your results will be. For instance, I typed in a French bulldog reading a book on the moon with some cheese around. It's a playful idea, but that's the kind of prompt that allows the AI to showcase its range. Now, let's talk settings. This is where Kling AI gives users a decent level of control. To get the best results from Kling AI, try using hints-detailed prompts with specific actions, emotions, or settings. Avoid vague descriptions, adjust the creativity slider based on your goal, lower for realism, higher for imagination. Currently, the video length is capped at 5 seconds. It's short, but sufficient for testing or creating short loops. The platform notes that longer durations are in development, so we may see 10-second options soon. Aspect ratio is another customizable feature. You can choose between horizontal, landscape for platforms like YouTube, or vertical, portrait, for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. I selected horizontal for this test. Then we come to camera movement, which is one of Kling AI's standout features. You can choose from several built-in motion effects like zoom, horizontal pan, vertical pan, tilt, and roll. These effects add movement to your video, giving it a more dynamic and cinematic feel. For this example, I selected the roll effect and set it to roll to the right at level 3. The presence of motion control sets Kling AI apart from other video generators. It adds an additional layer of creative direction that's rare in AI platforms. You also have the option to enter negative prompts, for instance if you want to avoid certain objects or effects, but I decided not to include any. Once all the settings are in place, click on the Generate button. The system will begin processing your request. While it works, I think it's worth noting how effortless the process is. In just a few clicks, you go from a vague idea to a rendered visual experience. After a brief wait, the video is ready. The result is a French bulldog on the moon reading a book. There's a sense of coherence in the visuals, and even though the scene is imaginative, it feels cohesive. The dog looks convincingly like a French bulldog, and the rolling motion gives the clip subtle movement that enhances its realism. The lighting, texture, and framing all come together in a way that's impressive for an AI-generated video, especially one created in under a minute. To save the video, you simply click the download icon. You can also rate the generation using a thumbs up or thumbs down system. I gave it a thumbs up since the result was close to what I had envisioned and the quality was higher than expected. From a broader perspective, tools like Kling AI show where content creation is heading. This isn't just about creating a fun clip. It's about enabling creators, artists, educators, marketers to visualize ideas quickly, cheaply, and without traditional production constraints. You no longer need a camera, a set, or even video editing skills. You need a clear idea and an internet connection. And while 166 free credits might not last forever, they offer a real opportunity to test the platform and understand its potential. AI content generation is becoming more democratized. You don't need a design background or expensive software. You just need a creative spark. Platforms like Kling AI bridge the gap between imagination and execution. Even though it's still developing and there's room for improvement, especially around video length and rendering options, the foundation is promising. I can easily imagine this tool being used for short ad spots, explainer visuals, storyboarding, or even casual entertainment. So, if you've been curious about AI video tools or looking for a new way to express ideas visually, Kling AI is worth a try. Link in the description. Try it while it's still offering free credits, and don't hesitate to experiment with both serious and silly prompts. You might be surprised at what it produces. That concludes today's walkthrough. If you found this helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing to the channel. I'll be sharing more AI tools, tutorials, and reviews soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.